Yeah, that could be it. Will it get past the surf? Snoopy Sloop 11 with Snoopy at the front, ready to be loaded into the car. There we go. Only 4 foot, 1.2 meters long, so just about squeezes in. There, all ready to go. Right, we're under Dick's directions now, because he's going to take the risk of walking out as far as he can in the gap in the waves he chooses. We've checked out and the rudder's still good, so he's going to look for a suitable pause. So Dick's doing the important business, of course, as always. Watched by June and Peter, filming everything, including our mistakes. Yeah, that could be it. Will it get past the surf? Well done, Dick. I think you might have done it. I hope I'm not talking too soon.
Over the waves now.
Hopefully, yes. And that was at about 11:10 local time, yeah?
Right.
So 10:10 GMT. Brilliant. Oh, that one half difficult for somebody.
Just picking the right moment.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, I'm blocking Peter's camera view there. He's concentrating on the boat now.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Now can you see it's about halfway again, sorry, same distance again out.
Yeah.
You see them braking a bit?
Yes, I know.
What they've done is they've built a sort of false reef out there.
Yeah.
A bit of luck, they won't trouble it.
Yeah. Right. We'll see what happens. Well, Snoopy's going well. Just got to get out beyond those waves.